Hello everyone, today I'm cooking noodle soup, southern Vietnamese style. It's very yummy. Come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. The southern style noodle soup includes daikon radish. It's simple as that. So I cut them up into chunks and I put in the bones broth. This is how I cook stock and broth. It already have many flavors in there. If you want how to make from scratch, head over to my other videos how to make broth. To be clear like a consomme, you will get them there with the videos and recipe. So this is my bone broth. You can see here down below I have a lot of bones. That way I don't ever use MSG. People in Vietnam or other Asian country, they tend to use MSG for their broth. So the bone broth flavor with daikon radish, and you realize that I added 2 pieces of watermelon rice. Yeah, on to make the broth taste good. So I added my shrimps, liver, and blood. That I bought a blood cake, and I got a few pieces just for one bowl. And then I season with salt and pepper and fish sauce, and I keep my broth piping hot until I prepare the bowl. Now, to eat the noodle soup, I have accompany vegetables. That is lettuce, green onion, chives, cilantro, and I will cut some slice of onion here. That is good for you, and it will diminish and mingle into the broth when we ladle the hot broth over. So I chop them up. You can chop them up any way you want. I keep some long and I cut some short. And when you season your broth, make sure you do it a little saltier than the final product itself, because when you add the broth into your noodles, it will be less salty. So I prepared the vegetables done. Now I remove the shrimp skin, and that's it. This is I prepare for one bowl alone. If you want to cook for many people, you can multiply the recipe. By the way, the recipe is in the description box below. You head in there and you find the link how to cook the broth and the ingredients for all the noodle soup today. So I cooking my noodle now. Is you can cook them according to the package instruction, because this is ready-made noodles. I like to make myself noodles, but when I don't have time, I use store-bought. So I put the noodle in the bowl and then the lettuce. Normally, if you eat in the store, they give you just a piece of lettuce, but I get two here because this is the time we can redeem ourselves with much more vegetables to be healthy. Alright, so green onion in, and blanch white part of green onion in. Now I fetch my blood cake, liver, and some bones. I like the bones to eat the meat from the bones. They are so tender, juicy, and fatty, very nice. I love to eat the bones, the meat on the bones. So I think that I'm done with the presentation. Now I laid on the hot broth over the noodle, and then when we done, we ready to eat. We will have the fish sauce with chili and lime to accompany. It's so good. I invite you to taste with me. I appreciate if you can subscribe, share, and like my video. That shows your support to me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Come back soon. I have a lot of tips and tricks and other videos. Bye bye.